Welcome to clickmeproject.com. The title is Dynamic Packet Scheduler Optimization in Wireless Relay Network. Go to abstract. The packet scheduling algorithm is the algorithm that schedules all packets from application layer and network layer in order to reduce network congestions in the data link layer to avoid the packet collisions. When the PSA is implemented, packet collisions will be minimized with increasing of throughput as a byproduct. The packet scheduling algorithms transform the network topologies to be a scheduling matrix. Our analysis was confined to consist of two independently distributed random variables, and then it seems that the exclusions of portfolios with more than two distributions is not too serious, since the critical factor relevant to diversifications are easily identified in the analysis of the two distributions case. It can send the data from high priority to lowest priority. Encrypt, decrypt, keygen, and scheduling algorithms can be used in the data packets. The theory of network generations presents predict actor selections and retention in farming and advanced network. When processing rich information and potential alter decides whom to contact by trading of expected knowledge values, which is the cost of obtaining it. Alternative is averaging interference from neighboring cells by using different basic carrier permutations between user in different cells. Interference within a cell are averaged by using allocations with cyclic permutations. Enables single frequency network coverage where coverage problems exist and gives excellent coverage. Offers frequency diversity by splitting the carrier all over the user spectrum. The process of flow is first network generations and get IP address and MAC address and generate the session key and private key and data encryption method using encryption CAS algorithms and optimal scheduling using scheduling algorithms. And next process is key generations for stochastic dominance. One data can send from user to server and receive the priority packets. Let us see the demo. Go to home.java, run these files, and go to next. This one is network generations and logical identity. Enter the username and enter your password and go to browse. Now I will select the hi.txt to open this file. This one is file name, it's a directory, and get IP, it's only system IP and MAC IP address. I'll submit your logical identity and go to private component. Private component means generate the session key and private key, and go to generate session key and generate private key. Go to submit. This one is your encryption and decryption process, and public key, private keys are generated. This one is first message and public key. This one is encrypted values, and go to key 1 and generate the cipher 1 values, and go to key 2, generate the cipher 2 values and generate the cipher 3 values. This one is decryption process and private key. Thus the message are decrypted and sending messages. This one and this message are received in this decryption process. And go to next. This here dynamic packet scheduling, and go to packet 1. Packet 1 data can send from packet 2, generate the some values, this values of priority, and go to packet 2. It also takes some seconds and show this priority values. And dynamic packet schedulings of 3, it's also lowest priority, and packet 4 is automatically generated for packet scheduling method. And go to 5. And fifth priority value is lowest priority, and packet 6 also lowest priority, and packet 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 is also lowest priority. Only highest priority is packet 4. Verify the highest priority, only packet 4. Go to next. It's a key generation for stochastic dominance methods. First generate the data. This data will be automatically generated. And key generation, it generate the one data of values, and all data optimizations values are successful. Go to next. One data can send from highest priority to lowest priority. Browsing this one text files. Now I will select the hi.txt. Open these files. Sending this data. Data has been sent. Go to next. This frame is sending frame. Its one is receiving frame. And go to receive. This also lowest priority. One data can send from highest priority to lowest priority. Thank you.